Sure, trash cans aren't the prettiest things to look at, and a lack of organization in general is going to give the outside of your home a slightly dirtier aesthetic. So let's give your trash can an easy and cool home that actually adds some overall appeal. Also important to note, when your trash can is secured, they won't go blowing all over the neighborhood when there's heavy winds. This looks like a fun weekend DIY project, don't you think? Check out the link in the description to get the free blueprint for this project. And check out the next video in our series as we look at a modern boys' room remodel. I'm actually still pretty sad I never got a pirate ship bed. But still, I'll see you then.